Welcome to my Mynimo tutorial. This is your guide on how to tag application. To tag an application, you must first log in to your account. Click on the login button and select employers. Enter your credentials and click login. On the local ads tab, select the job post you want to tag and you'll then see the list of applications. After reviewing the applicant's resume, click the box before the applicant's name and select a status to tag them as read, shortlisted, unqualified, no answer, no show, or hired. A sample tagging of an applicant or application would look like this. After tagging, the applicant will be notified if their application is tagged as read, no answer, or no show. You may also archive or delete applications once you hire an applicant. Thank you for watching my Mynimo tutorial.